Design and performance analysis of 8-bit ALU for nanoprocessor designed for low area, low power and minimum delay using 32 nanometers CMOS technology. Abstract. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. Document. This abstract includes an overview of the project, highlighting the keywords, existing methods, and their drawbacks. It explains the proposed method in detail, including a step-by-step implementation block diagram. The advantages and applications of the proposed method are discussed, along with the software and hardware requirements. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the path. Next, open Cadence Virtual Software, paste the copied file, and create same file and start execution. Open SEdit, launch SEdit and open your circuit schematic. Set up transient analysis. In the schematic editor, click on the simulation setup icon or navigate to simulation setup. Select transient analysis in the setup dialog. Specify the start time, usually 2000, and stop time, the duration for the simulation. Set the time step, the interval at which data points are calculated. Smaller time steps provide more detail but increase simulation time. Configure initial conditions. If needed, specify initial conditions for capacitors and inductors to ensure accurate results. This can be done in the component properties or the initial conditions section of the simulation setup. Add voltage and current sources. Ensure your circuit has the necessary time-dependent voltage or current sources. Example, sine wave, pulse, piecewise linear. Run the simulation. Click the simulation run icon or navigate to simulation run. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.